How to fix Chase Bank mobile app not working. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Make sure that Chase application is downloaded on your mobile device. So if your application is not working, first and foremost, you can go ahead and open your phone setting. Scroll down until you see the option of apps and tap on it. Tap on all apps. Tap on the magnifying icon and search for Chase. Force stop the application, then tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, you can head back from here. If you are using Android, press and hold your Chase application and head to App Info. Force stop it, tap on Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next step, open up your Play Store, or if you are using an Apple device, open up your App Store. Search for Chase app in the search bar. Tap on Chase Mobile and check for an update. If there was an update, leave it for an update or uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. You can drop down the control panel. Now check for your Wi-Fi connection, switch it to your mobile data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. By doing so, your issue must be solved. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.